Hey guys, welcome to the Audio Wizard. My name is Chris Wilson. Today we're going to be talking about microphone etiquette. I see this happen a lot whenever I'm mixing. People will get so jazzed about their show that they completely forget mic etiquette. And with a microphone, it's not a magic wand, it's actually a very useful tool, and you have to know how your tool is meant to be used to deliver correct information. This conversation comes up often whenever I'm on site. Usually after I see somebody singing into a microphone either like this or kind of like that, creating a small hole for the information to travel into. On a dynamic microphone like the SM58 by Shure, it has a cardioid pickup pattern to where it gets most of its information from directly into the element, and it rejects information coming from the rear of the element with the greatest dead center, obviously dead center of the microphone here. Let's talk a little bit about how this microphone rejects the information from the back. So with a microphone like the classic Shure SM58, the dynamic element has a cardioid pattern pickup. To achieve that pickup, energy has to flow not only from the front of the microphone, but through, out, and around this ball that they have attached to the top of the mic. The element itself marries halfway up this ball, right about where this ribbon is. The distance and travel for the negative energy is what allows the cardioid pattern to be achieved. Like say if I covered that screen, you have effectively created an omni microphone because the negative energy can't get back to the diaphragm to cancel and create the cardioid effect. Something else that comes up a lot is how to position the mic in front of your mouth. Now, with a dynamic microphone, you need to have at least 2 inches from your mouth to the top of the microphone for presence to load the diaphragm. But a lot of folks either start to look like they're physically eating the microphone or they'll talk right over it. You see a lot of people do this. That's really hard to get a really nice tone quality. There's a lot of EQing that goes on with a scenario like this. What I like to do is actually put the crease of your thumb at the ribbon of the ball and then put your thumb on the bottom of your chin, and that gives you about 1.5 inches to a couple of inches. The upside to this is that your hand can't go up above the ball at any point because your thumb is keeping your index finger from riding up on the ball. It also keeps a great distance between your mouth and the ball of the microphone. You see a lot of people that talk with their hands all the time to where they're trying to speak in front of people, but they do this. This is actually a great technique for people that are just going up to do speeches, people that don't speak on microphones a lot. Rule of thumb, if you will, put your thumb on the ball of the mic, put your thumb behind the microphone, put your thumb on your chin, and you can speak normally. You don't have to overthink the process, right? Vocalists, you have to understand that your sound engineer is going to take care of you to the best of his capability. So you need to deliver as much information to him as you possibly can without wrecking the diaphragm, but make sure you have enough information to deliver to your sound engineer. Let your sound engineer use compression or multi-compression if you can to shape your presence. Believe in your sound engineer. Let your sound engineer do the heavy lifting. Make sure you subscribe, like, Click on the little notification bell so you can actually come back and watch some more tech tips. Remember that it's not about magic, it's all about science, frequency, vibration, and time. Thank you. See you soon.